Hello everybody, I'm Marsehlus. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Seattle, Washington. I am full Filipino, but the only thing I know about the Philippines is that the food is good. What got me into streaming was at the start of COVID, we were all quarantined, no one could go out, and I just started creating content because I had nothing else to do. I always wanted to create content ever since I was little and saw my first YouTube video. My favorite thing about streaming is meeting new people and never knowing who's gonna be in your chat. I've had people that I never would have thought would watch me come into my chat, and it was always such a surreal experience seeing them watching my content. My least favorite thing about streaming is the hate that you get when you first start out. Lots of people bashing you and telling you to give up, but I've learned to just not listen to them and just do my own thing. Anyways, here's some clips from my streams.
Fuck! Wait, I saw her! I saw her!
Oh!
He's one.
Oh my god.
Not anymore, I'm not. Oh, he healed. Oh, wow. I sure did. Tyrant. Oh, no!
Oh no, I hear it. I hear it. Get me out. Get me out.
Oh, that's Dom. It's Dom.
I can't even see myself. Bro, you're dumb.